The following is a commercial program paid for by Southlake Medical Clinic. The opinions and views expressed belong to its sponsors and are not those of this station or their affiliates or employees.
Anxiety, depression, and stress are things we all struggle with in our lives at some point or another, but these psychological things can lead to more physical issues, such as sleep disorders, addictions, heart disease, and even for many men, erectile dysfunction. ED affects men much more than with just their intimate moments in life. It can even affect their confidence and overall mental well-being. Joining us is Katie Harward. She's with Southlake Medical Clinic to tell us about their solution to treat ED. Hey, Katie.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. Welcome to the show. So what is this solution that you have to share with us?
Yeah, so here at Southlake Medical Clinic, we have a breakthrough treatment called acoustic wave therapy. So this treats the root cause of ED, no pain, no needles, no downtime. So it's not the Band-Aid effect like the pills or the injections.
Let's talk about the emotional struggles that patients have with dealing with this. And it can be with anything, but we're talking about ED today.
Yeah, so we see it all the time. It really affects relationships. We know that intimacy is a super glue to relationships. So when intimacy is not there, the relationships begin to struggle. The communication's not there. We also see a spillover effect into work and other social interactions. So this is something that affects more than just ED or the intimacy. It affects every relationship in one's life.
It's like a ripple effect. So talking about ED can be embarrassing, and even with your physician, with your doctor, what are some of those things that you do for the patients to make them feel a little bit more comfortable about something that could be so sensitive?
Yeah, great question. So first and foremost, I want everybody to know how prevalent this is. Over 50% of men in their 50s are dealing with this, and the number of men in their 40s is on the rise. And in our clinic, we see as young as 18 all the way to 100. So we know that this is not something that needs to be hush-hush anymore. We can have that open dialogue and be safe space. But here specifically at Southlake Medical Clinic, we have an all-men clinic, and everything is discreet and confidential for their comfortability.
I know a lot of viewers like to hear that. So it sounds like you are doing a lot to make your patients comfortable. Let's talk about how invasive this procedure, do you call it a procedure? How invasive is this?
Yeah, so great. This treatment is not invasive at all. No pain, guys. What it is, it's a small device that's placed on the skin, and it produces gentle pressure waves down to the blood vessels, opening them back up, allowing for greater blood flow when and where a guy needs it the most. So again, it's not that Band-Aid effect like the pills or the injections. We're actually treating the root cause by expanding those blood vessels.
No surgery, no injections. That's another thing that people are going to want to hear. How long does a treatment take? Is it take off work, take off a week?
No, so you can literally come in on your lunch break. It is a 15-minute long treatment. And right after, you can go back to your daily life, whether that's the gym or work, whatever it may be. This is a very quick, simple, and easy treatment. Everybody know that this is a very prevalent thing. We don't need to be hush hush. And ladies, relationships are all about communication. So talk to your significant other and be that safe space. There has been over 60 clinical studies that show both the efficacy and lack of side effects in treating ED with acoustic wave therapy. So both by Cambridge University and the Cleveland Clinic, to name just a few.
Katie, you've got a special for our viewers today. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so guys, don't put this off any longer. If you call us today, we'll give you the free assessment, free exam, even the free blood flow ultrasound. We will also throw in a special gift for you and your significant other, but you have to call Southlake Medical Clinic today.
That phone number is on the screen, 501-492-6000. The website's on the screen as well, southlakemedicalclinic.com. You can call now for a free exam, blood flow ultrasound, and receive a special gift for those intimate moments, which is a $650 value for free. Katie, thank you so much for this information and for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
That phone number is on the screen, 501-492-6000. The website's on the screen as well, southlakemedicalclinic.com. You can call now for a free exam, blood flow ultrasound, and receive a special gift for those intimate moments, which is a $650 value for free.
Yeah, so here at Southlake Medical Clinic, we have a breakthrough treatment called acoustic wave therapy. So this treats the root cause of ED, no pain, no needles, no downtime. So it's not the Band-Aid effect like the pills or the injections. But here specifically at Southlake Medical Clinic, we have an all-men clinic, and everything is discreet and confidential for their comfortability.